Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Domains replacement for website UX continuity detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Domains website. Log into your Google account associated with your domains. Once logged in, find the domain you want to work with and click on it. This will take you to the domain management dashboard. Next, locate the settings option in the left sidebar. Click on Settings to expand additional options. Scroll down to the Domain Overview section. Here you will see various options related to your domain. Look for the authorization code link in the Settings menu. Click on this link to request the authorization code. You may need to verify your identity through a secondary authentication method. After verification, the authorization code will be displayed on your screen. Make sure to copy this code to your clipboard or save it in a secure location. Now, navigate to the external service where you intend to transfer your domain. Log in using your credentials for that service. Find the section for domain transfers or domain management. There will be an option to enter the authorization code you just copied. Paste the code into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts or instructions provided by the external service. After entering the code, confirm your request to initiate the transfer. You may receive an email confirmation regarding the domain transfer. Keep an eye on your email for updates on the transfer status. Once the transfer is complete, conduct a check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, ensure that your website is still accessible and performing as expected. This process helps maintain user experience continuity during domain transitions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.